Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English Club. This is Neelam Dhanwani. In this video, I will teach you cursive handwriting for beginners. Before starting the letters, you need to practice some strokes. So number one stroke is this one. In this stroke, you have to just make a slanting line, then turn, standing line, again turn, make slanting line, and like this. This is very important stroke. All strokes are very important. It's very useful. Practice it. Now with the help of this stroke, you can make letter L. See how to make letter L. Slanting line, turn, standing line and tail. And you can make letter B. If you learn writing letter L, then you can make letter B also in this way. Then letter F. Letter F will come in 4 lines this way. Then letter H like this, and letter K like this. Now next stroke is this. Make a slanting line, come back on this line, then turn from here, again turn, go up like this. For cursive writing, you need to practice it for 5 to 6 days. With the help of this stroke, you can make letter T. You just make a slanting line, come back on this line and tail, and a sleeping line between upper 2 lines. And you can make letter P in this way, and letter I like this. Now this one is the next stroke. Just make it very carefully. Make a slanting line, turn, go back on this line, then turn from here like this. With the help of this stroke, you can make letter C. This is letter C, and then make letter A like this and this. Then make letter D. First make A, go up to first line, come back and tail. Then make letter G, make A, come down, turn and tail, and make letter Q this way. Now this is the next stroke. It will also come in middle 2 lines like this. These all the strokes need to be practiced very carefully. With the help of this stroke, you can make letter U like this, letter W, and letter V and letter Y. Now next stroke is this. It will also come in middle 2 lines. With the help of this stroke, you can make letter M and letter N like this. And the last stroke is this. See how to make it. Make C, go up, turn. C, go up, turn. Go, come back, touch down line, go up, join this and change like this. With the help of this stroke, you can make letter O.